welcome to my fidget store.
Hi there. I'm here to find the best fidget toys.
Well, you've come to the right place. Is there anything I can help you find?
Nope.
Okay, well, I'm here if you need me.
Ooh, pineapple. Ooh, Little Mermaid.
Are you ready to check out?
Ooh, you shouldn't scare people like that.
Oh, I'm so sorry about that.
I think you owe me.
I'm truly sorry. I didn't mean to scare you.
I want these.
Hey, the register's up here. Wait, I know who can help.
Tough Mom here, how can I help you?
I need the Thumbs Up family's help.
Mrs. Bench, is that you?
Yes, but a really annoying elf is trying to take fidgets from my store.
Uh-oh.
Annoying elf, you say?
Pesky. He can't be back.
Can you please help?
Of course, we'll be right there.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
We came as quickly as we could.
Thank goodness, that elf, he's in the warehouse.
Just to make sure we're dealing with Pesky, can we ask you a few questions?
Of course, anything you need.
What color suit was he wearing?
I think it was green. Yeah, it was green.
Did he have a really annoying voice?
Well, it was kind of different.
Did he have red rosy cheeks?
Oh, yes, he did.
We're dealing with Pesky.
Did he say anything to you?
Well, I accidentally scared him, but then he said I owed him.
Owed him?
You said he had fidgets?
Yes, an entire basket full.
That's what he wants.
He did mention he was looking for the best fidget toy.
Well, stealing isn't the way to get them. And we need to find him and remind him of that. Pesky, where are you? Oh, Pesky, we just want to talk to you.
What? The Thumbs Up family? Why did she have to call them?
Pesky, you need to pay for those fidgets.
It's the law, Pesky. No!
I didn't mean to scare you. It was an accident.
See, Pesky, she didn't do it on purpose. Stealing isn't the answer.
I did say I'm sorry.
See, Pesky, she didn't mean to do it, so come with us and pay for those fidgets.
No, no, no! Catch me if you can!
Of course, it couldn't be that simple. There! Pesky, get back here!
Come on, Lord. We're so close.
What are we doing?
I don't know. Guys, I think we need to turn around.
Got ya.
Pesky.
It's over, Pesky.
Yeah, give Mrs. Bench back her fidgets.
No, no, no!
Now, say you're sorry.
I'm sorry!
Pesky.
I'm sorry for taking your fidgets.
Thank you.
Good job, Pesky. I know that was hard for you to do.
Thank you for your apology.
You know what? How about we go into the store and buy you whatever fidget you want?
Really? You would do that for me?
Sure, Pesky. I think you learned your lesson.
Think of it as a Christmas present from the Thumbs Up family.
Oh, goody, goody, goody.
One banana. Perfect. Have a wonderful day, Pesky.
Now we don't want to have to deal with your shenanigans again.
No promises.
Oh no!
Thank you so much for your help.
Anytime, Mrs. Bench.
Whenever a fidget is in despair, the Thumbs Up family will be there.